Hey Facebook family, my name is Tom Penland. I'm the general manager here at Nelson Mazda in beautiful Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're here at 99th Memorial. Thanks so much for watching this video. Man, do I have an exciting announcement for you guys. A few weeks back, we had a big initiative through a ministry that we support here locally called 180 Disaster Relief. And they do a phenomenal job. They go all over the country helping people, feed people, working in cities after hurricanes and major disaster areas. And so they're going to be back at our store. They're actually going to be here a week from this Friday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. That is Friday, August the 7th. Again, Friday, August the 7th from 1 until 4. We're going to have that big truck back here. We're going to be feeding Tulsans, which is super awesome. So if you see here, there's milk, there's produce. They're even going to have some assortment of meat. So I think they're going to have some pork roast and chicken and different things. So if you know people in assistance, again, this is totally free, totally complimentary, just as a way for Nelson Mazda and Disaster 180 Relief to be a blessing to the city of Tulsa. So come by, share this message, tell people about it. In addition to the food that's going to be available, totally free, again, produce, lettuce, tomatoes, fruit, milk, meats, a lot of things that's going to be available we're giving out for free. We're also going to be helping kids with their back to school needs. This is for kindergartners, elementary age kids, middle schoolers, and high schoolers. So we're going to have age appropriate book bags that are going to be filled. So we've contacted the Tulsa Public School. We've got the list. We've done all the necessary shopping. As you can see right behind me, all the pallets, those are all backpacks, school supplies, for all the kiddos that are going back to school. So we're going to have over 500 of those. Yes, that is correct. Over 500 backpacks are going to be available. So if you know kids that need a backpack to go back to school, Nelson Mazda is the place for you to be. You're also going to be able to pick up free food. We're going to be donating and giving all of this away again on Friday, August the 7th from 1 until 4 p.m. It's for during that time period. So we're going to have it all set up here at the store. It'll be outside. You'll be able to just drive through just like we had before, and we'll have volunteers here to do that. I also have another opportunity. If you're hearing or watching this video and you're thinking, man, I'd love to be involved in that. I'd love to be able to help prepare that or even work on the day of the event, because we need people to hold signs. We need volunteers to help with that. You can message us through Facebook and we'll send you all the events. So if it's a great opportunity. My wife and kids will be here to help. If you wanted to bring your kids out or you wanted to come out and serve and help us bless people, we'd love to have you do that. So again, Friday, August the 7th from 1 to 4, we're going to have this amazing event. We're giving away 500 backpacks as well as food and everything for Tulsans. Last time we did this, we served about 300 people with meals, which was really awesome. So thank you so much. Again, Nelson Mazda, 99th Memorial, will continue to make a believer out of you.